A list of AWS services with brief descriptions for each. 1. Compute services. EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, scalable virtual server instances in the cloud. Lambda, run code in response to events without provisioning or managing servers. Elastic Beanstalk, easy-to-use service for deploying and managing applications in various languages. ECS, Elastic Container Service, run and manage Docker containers on a cluster of EC2 instances. EKS, Elastic Kubernetes Service, managed Kubernetes service to run containerized applications. Lightsail simplified cloud service for developers with easy-to-use instances. Storage and networking. Fargate, serverless compute engine for containers in ECS and EKS. Outposts, run AWS infrastructure and services on premises for hybrid cloud setups. 2. Storage services. S3, simple storage service, scalable object storage for any amount of data. EBS, Elastic Block Store, block storage service for use with EC2 instances. EFS, Elastic File System, scalable file storage for use with EC2 instances. SES3 Glacier, low-cost archival storage with retrieval times ranging from minutes to hours. Storage Gateway, hybrid cloud storage that provides on-premises access to virtually unlimited cloud storage. FSx managed file systems for Windows File Server and Lustre. 3. Database services. RDS, Relational Database Service, managed relational databases, including MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQL Server, and MariaDB, DynamoDB, fully managed NoSQL database service that provides fast and predictable performance. Aurora, high-performance, managed MySQL and PostgreSQL compatible relational database. Just Cache, in-memory caching service supporting Redis and Memcached for faster data retrieval. Redshifty managed data warehouse service for large-scale data analytics. Neptune, managed graph database service for highly connected datasets. DynamoDB Accelerator, DAX, in-memory caching for DynamoDB to provide microsecond latency. 4. Networking and content delivery. VPC, Virtual Private Cloud, isolated network environments to run AWS resources. Route 53, Scalable Domain Name System. DNS, Web Service, CloudFront Global Content Delivery Network, CDN, for fast content distribution. API Gateway, managed service to create, publish, and secure APIs, Direct Connect, dedicated network connection from on-premises to AWS. Elastic Load Balancing, ELB automatically distributes incoming traffic across multiple targets, such as EC2 instances. Transit Gateway, connects VPCs and on-premises networks through a central hub. 5. Security, identity, and compliance. IAM, Identity and Access Management, manage access to AWS services and resources securely. Cognito, user authentication and management for web and mobile apps. Guard duty, threat detection, and continuous security monitoring. Shield, DDoS protection service for applications running on AWS. WAF, Web Application Firewall, protects web applications from common exploits. KMS, Key Management Service, manage encryption keys for AWS services and applications. Cloud HSM, dedicated hardware security module for managing cryptographic keys. Secrets Manager, securely store and manage sensitive information like passwords and API keys. 6. Machine Learning and AI, SageMaker, build, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale. Recognition image and video analysis for facial recognition, object detection, and more. Comprehend, natural language processing service for analyzing text. Poly, text-to-speech service that turns text into natural-sounding speech. Lex, build conversational interfaces using voice and text with the same technology as Amazon Alexa. Transcribe, automatic speech recognition, ASR, to convert speech to text. Translate, natural and accurate language translation. 7. Analytics. Athena, query data stored in S3 using standard SQL. Kinesis, real-time data processing for streaming data. EMR, Elastic MapReduce, managed Hadoop and Spark clusters for big data processing. Data pipeline, data workflow orchestration for moving and transforming data. Glue, fully managed ETL, Extract, transform, load, service, QuickSight, business intelligence, BI, service for building visualizations and performing ad hoc analysis. 8. Developer tools. Code commit, fully managed source control service that hosts Git repositories. Code build, build and test code automatically. Code deploy, automate software deployments to a variety of compute services. Code pipeline, continuous delivery service for automating release pipelines. Cloud9, cloud-based IDE for writing, running, and debugging code. 9. Management and governance. CloudWatch, monitoring service for AWS resources and applications. CloudFormation, define and manage infrastructure as code templates for AWS resources. CloudTrail, track and log API calls and account activity across AWS services. Config track AWS resource configurations and monitor changes. BopsWorks, configuration management service for Chef and Puppet servers. Systems Manager, centralized management for AWS resources, with automation for operational tasks. 10. Migration and transfer. DMS, database migration service, migrate databases to AWS with minimal downtime. Snowball, physically transfer large datasets into AWS using a portable storage device. AWS Migration Hub, track and manage application migration projects across AWS. Application Discovery Service, discover and collect data on premises to facilitate migration to AWS. 11. Media Services. Elemental Media Convert, convert media files for on-demand viewing. Elemental Media Live, process and deliver live video content. Elemental Media Package, video packaging for secure, scalable streaming. Elemental Media Store, storage optimized for media workflows. 12. Blockchain. Amazon Managed Blockchain, create and manage scalable blockchain networks using frameworks like Hyperledger Fabric and Ethereum. 13. Internet of Things, IoT. IoT Core, securely connect IoT devices to the cloud and manage them. IoT Greengrass, run local compute, messaging and data caching for connected devices. IoT Analytics, analyze IoT data in the cloud. 14. R/VR, augmented reality and virtual reality, Sumerian, create and run 3D, AR, and VR applications without requiring specialized expertise. 15. Game development. GameLift managed service for deploying, operating, and scaling multiplayer game servers. This list captures the essential services AWS offers in various categories, helping developers, businesses, and IT professionals build and manage cloud solutions efficiently.